Hi everyone, this is Jim Parsons from our science class, and hello as well to Dr. Mack. This is my PowerPoint presentation, Two Truths and a Lie PowerPoint presentation. It's Sunday night, December 7th. So, as we all know, we were tasked with finding three headlines this week, and two of which are true, and one is false or a lie. So, the first article I chose is from NASA.gov, and it reads Arctic Sea ice reaches near record lows. Um, a quote from that article is for the last 19 years, the minimum ice coverage in the Arctic Ocean has fallen below the levels prior to 2007, and that continues also into to 2025, into this year. They've been apparently NASA's been studying this for almost 5 decades. And another quote from the online article states that we've hit 47 years of continuous monitoring of the global sea ice extent from satellites. Assistant from Angela Bliss, who's the assistant chief of NASA's Cryospheric Science Laboratory. This data record is one of the longest, most consistent satellite data records in existence, where every single day we have a look at the sea ice in the Arctic and Antarctic. So, like I said, they've been doing this for almost 5 decades, 47 years it sounds like. But this article is written by James Reardon in September of 2025, so 3 months ago. So that's the first, my first headline. True or false? And there's a hyperlink, and like I said, it's nasa.gov. The second article is from an online group called techbriefs.com, and the headline reads, Engineers create biodegradable batteries that break down naturally after use. So, a team of researchers at Texas A&M University, including Distinguished Professor of Chemistry Dr. Karen Woolley and Professor of Chemical Engineering Dr. Jody Lukenhaus, has developed a biodegradable battery using natural polymers. Its findings were published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Another article before I say if that's true or false or not. Unlike conventional batteries, which rely on metals and petrochemicals, the new material is derived entirely from renewable biological sources. It's designed to degrade safely when exposed to water or enzymes, making it a promising solution for reducing battery waste, especially in cases where batteries are not properly recycled. So that is from techbriefs.com, and that's from October of 2025 from this year. So there's the hyperlink as well in the techbriefs.com. So is that true or false? Number 3 headline also comes from nasa.gov. And this headline states that NASA is warning that the moon's gravity is increasing will soon cause massive flooding worldwide. Dr. Raymond Keller, senior NASA geophysicist, described the findings as unexpected and highly unusual, noting that the development was discovered during routine gravitational field monitoring. The moon's gravitational influence has always been stable, Keller explained, but our latest measurements suggest an abrupt shift. If the trend continues, we could see water levels rise dramatically under lunar high tides. And that was written by Lena Hart with the Science Monitor Daily, and NASA.gov is obviously reporting that. So is that true or false? And there's a hyperlink as well from nasa.gov. So which order are my two trues and my false? Is it true, true, false? True, false, true, or false, true, true? And the winner is, the false headline is headline number 3. The moon's gravity is not increasing, and NASA has never issued such a warning. Lunar gravity is stable. While the moon affects tides, it is not changing in a way that would suddenly cause global floods. So that, in fact, was my false article or my fake article. So